On the third excerpt for middle school bass, there's a lot to go over, so I'm going to try to talk quickly. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to ask. The first thing you'll notice is there's accents every other note. Bum, 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 bum. Make sure that those are there, and even when it starts up bow 2 measures later, it's the same thing. So you're going to have to accent on the up bow while you're doing that. I would actually start this piece on first finger C instead of second finger. That way your fourth finger is right there on the G, and it gets rid of all of these string crossings. I'm going to walk you through this fingering real quick. First finger C, fourth finger G, open D, then you shift during that open D to first finger A. Then first finger E's right there. You're going to shift again to G natural. This is the second note of the second measure. It's only a half step, so it's going to look like this. And I hope you notice that's all in the same position. So once you go there, one shift, 4, 2, 0, 4, 0, 1. It's all right there. Then it's the same music, but you start up bow. Until here. But that's easy enough, okay? Next 2 measures are the same. However, you will notice that C that had a legato before is now 5 beats instead of 1. So please be careful to count it. And on top of that, you have a forte piano. So you're going to get real loud to real soft. With a crescendo afterwards as well. But the crescendo only goes to mezzo forte. I know as bass players we love our low open E string. However, don't get carried away on this. You'll see a poco ritardando written on measure 45 as well as measure 47. So make sure that you are not doing too much. Poco means very little. Count measure 46 carefully. That gets 4 beats of note and then 4 beats of silence on measure 47. Measure 48, I think personally there's 2 very good options for fingerings here. One, you just go straight down the G. It's going to sound like this. That one works great. The only problem is that you have a 1-to-1 shift. Some people get a little bit messed up by that. If that's one of you, then I would highly recommend doing this. 3-1, or 4-1 rather. Fourth finger C sharp, same 4 notes, so the exact same. Then you're going to shift right here, down to fourth finger A on the D string. It's only a half step away again, and then down the D. So that's going to look like this together. So either go down the G or go down the D string. One of the 2 are there. Either one is very, very good. Okay? Make sure that on this piece it's clean and clear because it will go fast. Make sure that no matter how fast you go, it stays clear, it stays crisp, and you can hear the notes. You don't want any muddiness. It's just going to sound gross at that point. So make sure no matter what speed you're taking, it sounds good. That's the most important thing.